Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Dr. Rogers. So today I'll be showing you how you can use Twitter to look for postdoc, PhD or master's scholarship. So if this is your first time on my channel, please do consider subscribing and you're all welcome. So to look for postdocs, you go to Twitter, go on the search bar and you can type in there postdoc. For example, um postdoc source. Yeah, postdocs in source. So when you do that, you're going to see all the postdocs that have been advertised globally, especially in America or USA, because scientists do post them up, or principal investigators. So you will find them posting their postdoc or opportunities on Twitter, and you will not find some of these opportunities in other search sites or even if you Google them. So this is one way you can use to know postdocs that advertise immediately or just now or as soon as possible. So this is one of them, one of the methods, and I think I should share with you. So for example, you see this postdoc position which is being shared now. It has just been advertised, so you can check. Then if you want to check masters scholarships, for example, you're going to check master's scholarships. You will find the ones that have just been advertised as well. Make sure you go to latest and check. So this is also a master scholarship which has just been advertised to at the moment, so you can apply for it as soon as possible. Or you can also check for PhD scholarships too. Type PhD scholarships, you even see supervisors, all any information as far as PhD positions, and usually they're called PhD positions or PhD scholarships, but it's better use PhD positions. For example, PhD position in biology, and if you type that into the search bar, you're gonna see the ones that have been advertised. We search and we open up this one now, so it's gonna direct you right there. And of course, we need to always accept the cookies on all the sites. Don't be scared of viruses. So you can always go on that and check. Then this is a PhD that's just been advertised now in by the dot. Please consider subscribing if you've been able to watch up this level, because I do share lots of information about scholarship, PhD, um whatsoever will help you to to study free and have the best career ever. So yeah, let's get going again. So you know and Twitter is, if Donald Trump can use Twitter to share information, what of you? That's to show you how powerful Twitter is. Postdoc in Korea, for example, if you want to check on postdocs in Korea, you'll see two postdocs positions in IBS in Korea. So a lot of top researchers, top scientists do share their work or advertise on Twitter these days. So because they want it to reach to the widest audience as much as possible. You have postdoc in source in Korea, or you can put any country of your choice. In this case, if I'm searching for Korea, I use postdoc in South Korea. See, there's also a video there which was just put up by myself during one of my soil sampling areas. So it's not just for soils, but any other field you can use it. So make sure you subscribe.